Hello and welcome back to the channel. Doing a little unboxing video of the M.T.S Pro AIRSHIELD. 8-hour battery life, airflow to the mask to stop it steaming up, HEPA filtration 98%, APF 20 trend, AIRSHIELD Pro. So there it is. Now you open it. So put your filters in, take it apart, because you can take the visor out if you want as well. So you open it up by pressing the grey tab there in, and the other finger on the black bit there, boom, open. And these filters do just slot in. Break it again out. You sort of push it down. Down and in, and it will click in like that. So I've done that, but getting it out, I don't know, it doesn't want to come out of it, so I'm not going to force it out. And then there's your power pack. It just slots into there, just underneath your on and off button. So there's your on and off button. Then you put your power pack in, you put your filters in, you're almost ready to go. Close it back up so your grey tabs are in. And I got the option to have the headphones with it. Took advantage of the Black Friday sales, so saved like £56. And I brought an extra packet of filters with it, so instead of 28 or 29 or whatever, you save about £6 on them, so they're about 22 quid, 23 quid. And then, so I saved about £60 just because of the Black Friday deal on the mask and the filters. All together probably about £60 less than it would be when it's not Black Friday. So I thought I'd get the earmuffs all together. Just grab your mask, you've got your earmuffs, ear defenders, and your visor and your mask, all there. Protection for your lungs, protection for your eyes. So it's going to be worth it. And I've got the Geordie Johnson mask. I've got the Geordie Johnson coat. So let's get carving. That's your little airflow tester. Ball goes up. Your flow's good, I'm guessing. And there's your charger, and it comes with 4 different ends that you can put on there. So you've got like American, European or whatever, and it just slots in and out. So you can emigrate to America and still use the same plug, because it's got different attachments with it. There's all your different attachments in there. Dead easy to do. So it comes, choose your plug that you need, your adapter, and then so you can take your battery pack out, how I showed you, your power pack out, or you could put it on charge with it in. And then also what you get is this bag. So it comes with this as well, so this bubble wrap. So I'm going to keep it in the bubble wrap like that, and in the bag. So it's as easy as that. Spare filters, so when these ones are full, put these ones in, order some more. So you've always got your filters, and there you go. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, found it useful, give it a like. If you haven't already, please subscribe, I appreciate it. And I'll see you on the next video. And hopefully this will work really good, and be able to breathe, see, less pressure on my jaw, because I grind my teeth at night. So my jaw, it's when I wear a mask, when I wear earmuffs and all that lot all together, it's just crushing my face. So hopefully this is going to take some pressure off my jaw and stop that pain kicking in. So yeah, please subscribe, appreciate it. See you on the next one. Thanks for watching.